One time.
Ozo wins brand new innocent car. Ozo has won a brand new car during Wednesday tags, beating other 6 housemates to the game. He also got a parting gift from Biggie, which is a star balloon placed in front of the car. 11 days to go and 7 housemates left. The Big Brother Naija 2020 housemates got one of the most anticipated tags of the season. We could tell from their excitement that they have been looking forward to these tags from the automobile sponsors, and it is expected, seeing that it is the biggest prize of the season, excluding the 85 million grand prize and a 2020 sedan car from the brand. The quest started when the HOH Nengi got the tax brief and read it out to the housemates. This tax was different from the others because the house would not be divided. Every housemate was a lone player, and the win relied greatly on the housemates' cognitive abilities. Calling the housemates into the arena, all 7 housemates were given colorful gift cards and asked to mark their different spots in the house with those color cards, after which Biggie said they were to pay close attention to the videos playing out on the screen. The next instruction was when the game began properly. The housemates were to answer questions with their colored card, and after the second question, Lekon was the first housemate to leave the game. His exit marked the end of the first part. The colors displayed in the video were shuffled to ensure that the housemate did not have an easy pass. Biggie even complicated the game further by turning on music and asking the housemates to dance. After playing the second phase, V, Nengi and Tricky T came off the game, leaving Dorothy, Neo and Ozo as the last contenders gunning for the vehicle. The 3 finalists were asked to present to the house, giving reasons why they deserve the car. After their presentation, the game changed from color identifications to figures identifications. Dorothy lost out, leaving Ozo and Neo, but Ozo was left in the game and he answered the next question correctly, getting himself a car. So the summary of yesterday was Ozo wins a car and drives while Nengi sits in the front seat. Guys, check this out.
We are friends of the owner of the car. Can I the back? We the friends of the owner. We the friends of the owner. Shift, quick. Could have been. Oh yeah, laugh. Oh yeah, some kajari. Don't move. It's a brand new car. What is happening?
Meanwhile, while Neo lost out to Ozo in the finals of the Innocent Moto Challenge, Baby Naija housemate V is confident God has something special for Neo. She said this following his loss in the Innocent Car Challenge yesterday. Neo has a near-success syndrome since the start of the reality show. He has missed golden opportunities to become the winner on different occasions in the house. Last night, Neo made it through to the final of the Innocent Tax and lost to Ozo by forgetting the number pattern used to test their cognitive skill. While discussing with Lekon, V said God will do something for Neo before the show comes to an end.
It's very difficult, not that long to even pick it up.
Yeah, no, but you should have looked good. It was in the back of his head somewhere. I don't think it was ever at the back of his head. I said, Wisha, I started, God will do something else now. I don't know what, because the show coming to an end, but...
It's in the final already. Yeah. That is not in the final. That's one.
In concluding the activities of yesterday in the Baby Naija lockdown house, housemates talked to Biggie about the car gifts, nomination and possible eviction in diary session. Housemates had their diary session on Wednesday night and Biggie asked them to say how they feel after losing the car gifts that was won by Ozo earlier in the evening. Tricky T had his first shot and he told Biggie that this week is one of the most stressful for him. And it was heart-wrenching that he lost the car to another housemate. He also said he wished that Dorothy won the car instead of Ozo. He stressed that Dorothy has not won so much prizes on the show and it would have been better if she goes home with the car since he has dropped out of the game. When Tricky T was asked to name the housemates he thinks are to make it to the finale among those up for eviction in a deserving order, he named himself, followed by Dorothy, then Lekon, and then Ozo.
Okay, so
everybody in our group, we had one person that we agreed went on minutes. That was Ozo. So all 3 members of the group agreed on Ozo. But we now had issues because I said, okay, I'd preferred Neil. I'd have voted Neil up for eviction. But V came to his rescue and said she would prefer to put Dorothy up. And we ran back and forth. And then the tiebreaker now brought down to Lekon to actually make a decision, which he now decided that, okay, we're going to go with V, and then we nominate Dorothy instead of.
Meanwhile, V also got a chance and she said she should have nominated Tricky T and Ozo if the nominations had gone the way it was done last week, where they were called into the diary room to put up each other for possible eviction. She said her choice of Ozo was because he has been distracted in the house and she is not sure he still remembers why he came on the show.
I used to really envy Ozo as a leader and a strong-minded person, but his focus has been so off. It makes me wonder if he's here to play the game or he's here to fall in love. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. It's gonna happen in this house. According to her, Tricky T has survived several nominations and seems strong. Lekon's diary session was short and straight. He said though he would have loved to nominate Ozo and Neil, he is happy about his group choice of Ozo and Dorothy.
I think I and my team members had it in mind that it was probably going to be I and Tricky T that was going to be up from that side. So we decided that, okay, how are we going to stand a chance against these people? So we decided to go with Ozo and Dorothy. I mean, I personally wanted to choose Ozo and Neil.
In other news, Bobrisky to sponsor Erica for an all-expense-paid trip to Dubai after giving her 1 million naira. Controversial Nigerian Idris Okuneye, simply called Bobrisky, has announced that he is going to sponsor disqualified Big Brother Naija housemate Erica on an all-expense-paid trip to Dubai. Bobrisky's announcement comes after she dashed Erica a whopping 1 million naira after her disqualification from the reality TV show. In a video shared on Instagram page, Bobrisky said he is paying for Erica's trip to Dubai to chill on his behalf, flying on a first-class ticket via Emirates, and will be lodging in a Versace Palazzo hotel for 5 days, plus 2,000 naira dollar cash for shopping. Check out the video.
Erica, I love you so much. Guys, Bobrisky don't have time to cloud chase. I'm the boss. We don't do audio. So quick on, guys. Erica, this video is for you. I'm going to sponsor you to Dubai. I'm going to pay first class cabinet ticket, Emirates. I repeat, Emirates to Dubai. Go and spoil yourself on my behalf. Go and relax yourself on my behalf. You're going to stay in Versace Palazzo in Dubai for 5 days. I'll pay for all that. I'm paying for accommodation, I'm paying for your flight, and I'll be giving you $2,000 to shop for yourself. Erica, so let your management get back to me when you're available to travel. My love, let's kill this.
Finally, on this video, see the moment Kiddwaya embarrassed Ubi Franklin during IG Live. Evicted BB Naija housemate Kiddwaya has embarrassed music art Ubi Franklin during an Instagram live session where he ended the video without his notice. It was obvious he didn't want to talk about Erica or anything that has to do with his stay in the BB Naija house, but Ubi Franklin kept asking him that and he was giving him excuses. The billionaire's son told Ubi he couldn't hear what he was saying and that the network was messing up, which was actually a lie because everything was fine that everyone could hear. He basically embarrassed the music act as he didn't want to talk to him or about the questions he was asking over and over again. Hence, he hanged up on him. This is what happened.
Understand your thought process, how you were able to tell Erica that you wanted to sit down with Lekon and have a conversation. For me, it would be tough for me to have that kind of conversation. So how do you process things?
You're breaking up. Can you just say that again? You kind of frozen as well.
Okay, so I was saying that as a guy, right?
This connection, man, it's so bad.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but you're cracking, and then your video is frozen.
Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please, if this is the first time of you watching, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell to get a notification when a new video drops on my channel. Alright guys, until next time, please stay safe. Bye.